Hello traders, in today's video, I will show you an interesting robot. It works based on trend following, using 3 indicators, CCI, RSI, and MACD. You can free to download this robot, link to download in the description of the video. It is recommended to demo test the robot first, and apply good risk management settings before using it on a live account. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to not miss any latest videos. And now, I will now backtest this robot. Watch the full video to understand how the robot works, so that you can apply it to your trading system. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Happy trading!